Here is how to build a Notion Finance Tracker step by step. Start by opening Notion and creating a new page. This page will hold the tracker and all of the records you add later, so give it a name that clearly identifies it as your finance tracker. Once the page is open, move into the main workspace area so you can begin building the database. Next, create a table database. Click New, then choose a table database. This will give you a structured layout where each row represents a transaction and each column stores a different detail about that transaction. A table view works well for finance tracking because it keeps entries consistent and makes it easier to sort and review your records later. After the table appears, add the properties you need for each transaction. Set up columns for description, amount, category, date, account, payment method, and transaction type. Description can identify what the transaction was for, amount records the value, category helps separate items like groceries, rent, salary, or transport. Date shows when the transaction happened. Account can track where the money came from or went, such as a bank account or card. Payment method gives another level of detail, and transaction type helps separate income from expenses. Make sure each property matches the kind of information it will store. With the structure in place, begin adding transactions. Click New and create an entry for each income or expense. Fill in the description, enter the amount, choose the category, set the date, and complete the remaining fields for account, payment method, and transaction type. Each row should represent one financial event. Keeping entries separate will make later reviews more accurate. Once you have some data in the table, create additional views. Click the plus sign next to your current view and add views such as board, calendar, or list. Each view presents the same records in a different format. A calendar can help you see activity by date, while a board or list can support a different way of browsing your transactions. After that, organize your records using filters, sorting, or grouping. You can filter by category, account, date, or transaction type to narrow what you are viewing. Sorting can place recent transactions first or arrange entries by amount. Grouping can cluster records by account or category, so patterns are easier to review at a glance. From there, review your finances regularly. Use the tracker to monitor income and expenses, and return to your records often so the information stays relevant. As new transactions happen, add each one to the database so the tracker remains accurate and current. Your Notion Finance Tracker is now set up with transaction records, multiple views, and organized financial details.